Welcome back, my subscribers. Well, with Mad Brad's Customs here, we have been busy repainting the bumper on that 2017 Shadow Edition GT, 39,000 some miles, and it is for sale. Where something had dropped out of the trunk, it scrapped it up. Now it will show one little back-end accident, and I bought a brand new Ford bumper and put on it, but that's been many years ago. It was very minor. Anyway, working on these silver doors that are going to go on that Mach 1. This is my second paint job. Oh, I'm going to tell you what. Of course, y'all know, if you do know me, I love to paint. I think the dang door jam's going to look better than that faded out Mach 1. But we will fix all that. All right, Mad Brad's Custom. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you. We out.